Hello students, welcome to virtual class by Municipal Corporation of Brihanmumbai. Today we are going to learn English.
Hello students, welcome to the virtual class. Myself Sagar Mahale, your virtual class teacher. Today going to teach you English of Standard 5. And today we are going to learn A to Z. Oh, it's very simple. Everybody know the alphabets from A to Z. So our unit 1.2 is alphabets from A to Z. Now we are also going to play few games like identify the animals. Let's see. First of all, we will recite all the alphabets from A to Z. I will say, repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. In this picture, you can see various animals, people, trees, plants, and this picture is from our textbook. Now, we have to identify the different types of animals we can see in the picture. Let's see. First, oh, it's a cow. C-O-W, cow. Let's see another picture. It's a dog. D-O-G, dog. Let's see another picture of an animal. Elephant. See, the elephant is holding an ice cream, a big ice cream in his trunk. Can you see another animals? Where it is? Oh, the horse. It's so far away. I couldn't see only. It is a horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Can we see some other picture? Yeah, we can see a couple of sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. What else we can see? Which types of animals? A cat. C-A-T, cat. Can anybody else see some more animals in the picture? Yes, there is a small mouse. See how he is running away from cat? M-O-U-S-C, M-O-U-C-E, mouse. It's a rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Which animal we can see? Oh, a monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey is taking a banana from the tree. A frog sitting on a rock. Yes, we can see the frog also. Then what we can see? Oh, see in the corner, there is a squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-E-L-L, squirrel. So students, in this way, you can find many pictures from the picture given in your textbook. Now let's see the exercise. Can you Yes, you can. Write all the small letters on a single line. Now, what are the letters? Yes, the alphabets are also called as letters from A to Z. Now, you have to write the small version of alphabets like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Write all the small letters on a plain paper. Now, first we have to write it on a single line. Now you have to write it on a plain paper. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this exercise you have to practice it in your textbook. Now there are two more questions. Write all the small letters in different sizes, very big and very tiny. So first we will write big size of small letters, and then we are going to write small size of small letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See, I have written it in two sizes, big size and tiny size. Write all the small letters in fancy shapes. First of all, we will write it in the normal shape and then fancy shape. What do you mean by fancy? Very attractive design, when we call it as fancy. So thank you students. I hope you have understood this unit.
Subscribe now and hit the bell icon. Thank you students. This was our today's lecture, and don't forget to press the bell icon as well as the subscribe button for more interesting videos. Thank you very much.